Good morning. Melanie loves to have this door closed. Our target condition is to have it closed all the time, but sometimes it gets left open. And so she's made a sign that says to, you can see that it says to push the button on the left, and it's worked. So every day we've come in and I've pushed the button and closed the garage door, which is great. I'm now gonna make an improvement to that because it bugs me that it's a handwritten sign. So let me show you what I'm doing. So I went ahead and made up a sign, took a little picture, inserted it, and now there's a new sign, and you know to push the button.